Hi, this next project we're looking at is the Powertec downdraft table panel kit. This is a great DIY kit, something you can easily build in your own workshop. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. Everything you need to complete this kit is available on our blog. We have all of the measurements for all of the MDF board pieces. So, we'll start with the side walls. Note that we pre-drilled the holes. If you're working with MDF or particle board, this will prevent spitting. Next, we attach 2 parts to the inner frame. Seeing as the downdraft panels are 1 inch in height, we're positioning the frame 1 inch below the top of the table. Attach the base. Adding the air baffles. Notice that each one has 2 cut edges, 22 degrees and 45 degrees. This allows the baffles to lie flush against the wall, leaving no nooks or crannies where dust can accumulate. Seeing as the baffles are in place, we can then add the 2 remaining parts of the inner frame. And finally, place the downdraft panels onto the box. By the way, these orange knobs, they can be placed anywhere on the panels to help hold your workpiece in place.